This is my 3D printer that I bought, Ender Pro 3. I put it in a box here so I can do ABS on my Ender Pro 3 to keep the ambient temperature inside warmer so it sticks to the bed. These are all the options that I printed off of Thingiverse. You can customize your 3D printer any way you want. I put Ender 3 Pro letters up there. I built me an LED light, glued it to one of these strips here that go into the channels. I put the strips in all the channels. I even got me a little spool reel of a filament there for my, and I got the guide there. I also 3D printed this here, the mount that used to go up here on the top of them. Like on my other one, I got another one I just bought. I started customizing it. There's my octopi with my camera. I used to have it on the end here, but obviously it sticks out too far. I can't close my door for the print ABS. This is just some of the stuff up there I printed. Yeah, here's my other one over here printing off. This is my other Ender 3 Pro. This thing don't want to focus for some reason, but there it goes. And I just bought this other one last month. Started to upgrade it here. The cover, the drawer, and the tool kit that clips on here. I didn't put no letters on this one. And I got this one here I built myself. Oh, I got some therapy gel there for my back. Yep, I built this one with scrap parts and a rip wrap. I 3D printed this cover here for it, this case for the rip wrap, and the Arduino Mega 2560s in there. I 3D printed the LCD cover. And this one here goes up 3 foot, just about. The build area is probably 2 foot, 2.5 foot tall. It's like, I think it was 375 millimeters wide by 250 by, like I said, 2.5 foot about there. These are all some of the keychains that I 3D printed. There's more in the back. There's more stuff up on top here I 3D printed.